In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a funnel. Duplicating a funnel is a great way to save time and keep your work consistent, especially if you're creating similar funnels for different products, clients, or campaigns. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can simply copy an existing funnel and then tweak the details. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, start on your main dashboard and look at the menu on the left side of your screen. In that left sidebar, find and click on the Funnels option. This is where all of your existing funnels are stored. Once you click Funnels, you should see a list of all the funnels you've already created. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right workspace or account, especially if you manage multiple brands or projects, so you don't accidentally duplicate the wrong funnel. Next, from that list, locate the specific funnel you want to duplicate. You might scroll through the list or use any search or filter options available to find it quickly. When you see the funnel you want, move your mouse over it. Simply hover over the funnel name or its row. As you hover, additional options or icons should appear that weren't visible before. This is a common design pattern in many funnel builders, so don't worry if you don't see everything at first glance. They often only show these controls when you move your cursor over the funnel. Once those options appear, look for the duplicate icon. This is usually represented by something like two overlapping squares or a similar symbol that suggests copying. Move your cursor over that duplicate icon and click it. After you click, the system will create a copy of the original funnel. Depending on your platform, the new funnel might appear directly below the original one, or it may be added to the top of your funnel list. You'll typically see that the duplicated funnel has a similar name, often with the word copy or a version number added. At this point, it's a good idea to rename your duplicated funnel to something clear and specific, so you can easily recognize it later and avoid confusion with the original. From here, you're ready to open that duplicated funnel and customize any steps, pages, or settings you want without affecting your original funnel.